Hey everyone, Mike here. So today we're going to be removing tough stains on quartz countertops. So as you can see here, we have some pretty tough stains on this nice white quartz countertops. I've tried multiple things to remove this. I've used Dawn dish soap. Usually works for a lot of simple stains, but once you have stains that are really kind of sitting here for a while, this no longer works. So I would recommend using this for just your everyday stains. This is great. Another product that I tried was this Barkeeper's Friend Granite and Stone Cleaner and Polish. So I found that for tough stains like the one that we're looking at here, this just doesn't do the trick, but it does a great job on simple stains, and also I like to use this afterwards to polish the stone. But the product that I found that works the best is also by Barkeeper's Friend, and it is this soft cleanser. So this I've tried on a couple other tough stains that I've had around this quartz countertop, and it works wonders. All right, so we're going to go ahead and use this product. Some of the instructions, whenever you're working with this product, you want to actually wet the surface beforehand, and you don't want to over apply it, and you want to rinse thoroughly within 1 minute of application. You don't want to let this dry, um, and then you'll just wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth or a paper towel. So first, we'll start off by wetting the surface. Just take some water from the sink there and wet this area. And we're mainly going to focus on this stain right here. Something was left there a little too long. So we'll go ahead and open up this product. Kind of spread it around there. And what we'll do is we'll come in with our paper towel. And we'll just rub it in lightly. You don't want to press very hard with this product. You just want to lightly rub it in. And it's actually, if you could see. All right, so now that we've rubbed that in, it looks great. We're going to go ahead and start wiping it off with a clean paper towel here. You can already see it's looking really good. Yep. Get some water just to clean it. All right, and the stain is gone. So you see here we have the existing stain that was down here. We didn't clean this part, but we applied the Barkeeper's Friend to this section up here. And I was actually worried about this product because it does have it has something in it that could cause scratches, but as long as you don't rub very hard, it looks great. There's no scratching or anything. So this product definitely works. I would definitely recommend it. And we'll actually go through a couple other stains that I have on this countertop. All right, so we have another stain here that's I've been sitting around for a while. I've tried to use the dish soap on it, and it's not working. So we're gonna try this Barkeeper's Friend. First off, we'll just wet this area with some water. Then we will apply the product just a little bit. And we'll come through with the paper towel. Just lightly rub it. This stuff works really quick. And as you can see, that stain is gone. So another area that this product works really well on is the edges of the quartz. I found that a lot of times this gets scuffed up. And these you can usually get out with some dish soap, but it usually takes a lot of effort to get it out. So I found that the this product works really well for this. I'll demonstrate that. I just dab some water on this paper towel here, and then we'll just put a little bit of the Barkeeper's Friend on there, soft cleanser. Just rub it on there. It just comes right out. Just like that. All right, so there we go. We just removed a couple stains with this soft cleanser here. I would definitely recommend it. If you're looking to buy it, check in the description for the link. It's not a sponsored video or anything. It's just something that I found that I wanted to share with you guys. It works great. I'm definitely going to use this to remove a couple stains around. If you have any questions or comments, definitely drop them in the comments below. And thanks, everyone.